Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Tozo OpenBuds review. This is an open ear design earbuds that blew my mind when I first tested it out. I've been using this Tozo OpenBuds for the past 30 days and there are a lot of things I've discovered about it. Without wasting much of your time, babsomotden here. Let's get down to business. Before we continue the review of this Tozo OpenBuds, let me make this clear. I love to be transparent with my audience and I have to tell you that the good guys from Tozo sent me this review unit. This is in no way going to affect my opinion and observation that I got when using this guy. In fact, Tozo company will be seeing this review video exactly the same time that you are. Now, let's continue. As for the price of this Tozo OpenBuds, you can get it on tozo.com for $69.99 as of time of making this video. You can also get this Tozo OpenBuds from aliexpress.com or amazon.com. Moving over to the unboxing of the Tozo OpenBuds, the Tozo OpenBuds comes in a small white package. In the box, you are going to find the paperwork, which are the user manual and the quick guide, followed by the earbuds in the charging case, and the last but not the least is the small Type-C cable for charging it up. It comes in 4 beautiful colors, which are white, black, pink, and blue. Here with me, I have the black color. At the build quality department, the Tozo OpenBuds charging case is made from durable plastic material in a clamshell design. The earbuds sit perfectly in the charging case with the help of magnets. Taking a closer look at these earbuds, they have this unique hook design with Tozo branding at the front. This earbud has 2 axis rotations that ensure that you have a perfect fit. They can go 90 degrees vertically and 60 degrees sideways. So whether you have small hair size like mine or a big hair size, this is going to fit your hair perfectly. The hooks on this guy are flexible and adjustable to any angle that you want, so they can expand to wrap around your hair nicely. Talking about the comfort side of this Tozo OpenBuds, I must confess to you that these Tozo OpenBuds are very comfortable in my ears. During my testing, I wore these earbuds for a long period of time and I have no issue with them. Comfort-wise, they are lightweight and you won't feel like you have something around your hair. In fact, when I weighted it on a kitchen scale, they weighed only 21 grams. Now, let's talk about the battery department of this Tozo OpenBuds. The battery capacity is 70 mAh for each of the earbuds, and the charging case boasts of a massive 650 mAh battery capacity. Tozo claims that these guys can last you for 12 hours on a single charge. Now, I don't know the volume that Tozo used during their testing, but during my testing, I played this guy at 60% volume playing mixed audio, and this guy was able to last me for 7 good hours. These guys can be recharged fully quickly with the charging case for 4 solid times, and this is awesome. Charging up this Tozo OpenBuds charging case is going to take you 2 hours using a 10 watts adapter. Now, let's talk about the connection department. These guys are running on Bluetooth version 5.3, which is good for today's standard, and also they have SBC and AAC as their audio codecs, which means that if you are using an iPhone or you are using an Android device, they are going to connect seamlessly to it. I've tested it with my iPhone 11 and my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've also tested it with my Samsung S10 and Samsung S22 Ultra, and it worked perfectly. You can also connect it to 2 devices at the same time. That means it comes with multi-point connection. Another feature worth mentioning here about this Tozo OpenBuds is 5-minute auto shutdown, which means that if you bring out these earbuds from its charging case and you did not connect it to any device around you, these guys are going to go off in 5 minutes, thereby saving you the battery life. As for the Bluetooth range, I was able to get 18 meters in a line of sight. So if you are in an office setting or in a home, depending on how thick the wall is and the material used, you might not get up to that. And I think this you should also bear at the back of your mind. Now, let's talk about the control side of this Tozo OpenBuds. You can see the touch control sensors located right on the Tozo branding on the earbud. They are very sensitive and responsive. The controls on this Tozo OpenBuds are easy to memorize, very intuitive, just like every other earbud out there. Tap it once to pause and play. You can also tap 2 times depending on the earbud you tap on to skip forward or skip backward. Everything is just there for you to use. Now, if you don't like that setting or you want to change it, you can do that using the Tozo app. Just go to the setting and change it to whatever customization you prefer. You can download the Tozo app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It is user-friendly and intuitive enough. You don't even need rocket science to operate the app. You also have 5 presets already built into the app. My favorite is the Bass Plus, and if you want to change it to other ones like Vocal, you can do that there. The only drawback that I see in this Tozo Open app is that you cannot customize it to your own listening. When it comes to using this Tozo OpenBuds with the app, you don't have that. Other earbuds and other headphones from Tozo, you can customize it. But for this guy, you are only given 5 presets to choose from. You can customize it like turning up the bass up or bringing down the treble. Just pick out of these 5 presets and that is it. If you are going to be using this Tozo OpenBuds for movies or video streaming platforms like Hulu, Showmax, or Amazon Prime and so on, you won't notice any latency at all when using it. And also, if you are going to be using it to play casual games like Candy Crush, Beach Buggy, Killer Bee, and the rest, you won't notice any latency on this guy. But when you are using it to play first shooting games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire, and the rest, there's a little bit of latency which is still manageable. Actually, it gives you kind of like 3D, so you know where the sound or the gunshot or the sounds are coming from. And that is something I can tell you about when it comes to latency. When it comes to sound, these guys are amazing. These Tozo OpenBuds are using 14.2mm dynamic drivers that pumps out strong bass even when they are not inside your ear canals. And yes, some of these bass are lost to the environment, but if you handle it very well or properly to your ear canals or ear holes, you are going to love it. The vocals of this OpenBuds are clear and the treble is on the low side. Before I round up the review of this Tozo OpenBuds, I need to tell you about the waterproof rating. These guys are coming in with IPX6 waterproof rating, which means that if you are a sportsman or someone that sweats a lot or you go to the gym, these guys got you covered. Please note that it is only the earbud that comes with IPX6 waterproof rating, not the charging case. What about the call quality? Well, I have to tell you that when it comes to call quality, these guys are decent. You can actually use them to make WhatsApp call, you can use it to make your regular voice call, you can use it to do your Zoom meeting, they'll perform well. Now, do I recommend this Tozo OpenBuds? Yes, I recommend it to you if you want to listen to your music and at the same time be aware of your environment. This is your best bet. If you want an earbud that would just get comfortable in your ears without you knowing that it is there, they are very lightweight, this is the best bet. And also, if you are someone that goes to the gym a lot or you are a sportsman, whatever sport is it, you can get this one. So far, it is not something you are going to be entering into the water like swimming sports. No, not that. But if you are just going for something like jogging, outdoor walking or running, these guys are a good companion. I'm very sure you are not going to regret it if you buy it today. You can get it from tozostore.com. You can also get it from AliExpress or Amazon.com. If you have any question about this guy, please drop it down there in the comment section. And also remember to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you for watching this video to the very end, and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.